Hello, testing, testing. Okay, welcome back. Today we are going to be doing some exercise question based on chapter 8.1. Chapter 8, which is manufactured substance in industry. Today we'll just be doing questions on chapter 8.1, which is alloys and its importance. Now, we are going to answer the questions in a book called Module Herculean Chemistry. You can use this to re- uh, answer your question, page 200 or 207. Now, let's go on with the first question. Exercise 8.1. Atoms in pure ions are arranged in an orderly manner and in layers. What is the effect of the atom arrangement in pure ion on the ductility and malleability of the metal? So, based on if you have learned chapter 8, you know that pure metal is weaker than alloy because they are arranged in an orderly manner and they are also the same size, which makes the sliding to occur more easily, which means it can be less hard, ductile, and can be changed into shape easier compared to alloys, which is a mix of different type of metals. Now, as you can see, when this is the answer, when force is applied, the layers, oh, the layers of atoms slide over each other easily. Pure metal is less hard, that is ductile and malleable. This is based on the previous lesson. We know that pure metal can be is easily malleable, is easily ductile. They can also they are quite weak compared to alloy. So let's go on to the next question. I won't be wasting any more time. Iron alloy can be made by mixing some carbon into molten iron. How does the arrangement in the iron alloy affect the hardness of the alloy? Okay, this relates to the sliding occurrence. Now, if you were to remember, if um, if it's closely packed into each other, orderly mannered, and the same size, it can slide over easily. But if you mix different sizes, that disrupts the arrangement, makes it less orderly mannered, different sizes. It will make the sliding occurrence occur way more harder for sliding occurrence to occur. So we'll just answer the presence of carbon atoms sebab dia kata is mixed with is mixed with it's mixed with oh come on it's mixed with carbon atom mixed with molten iron. The presence of carbon atoms disturbs the orderly arrangement. Dia ganggu. Dia ganggu sebab tiba-tiba dalam susunan tu tiba-tiba different sizes lah. Tiba-tiba dia ganggu rhythm dia. So that's it of atoms in pure iron. When force is applied, the layers of atoms are harder to slide over each other. See, it's harder for the sliding occurrence to occur. Thus, the addition of carbon strengthens the structure of iron and makes iron stronger and harder. See, alloy is stronger because it doesn't have an orderly arrangement, which means you can't slide, there's no empty spaces, you can't hit it and change shape. So yeah, this is a previous chapter which I hope you guys remember. Now let's go on to the next question, number 2. The purity of gold is measured in carats. K, 24 karat gold is pure gold. without the addition of any other metals, whereas 18 gold is a K gold is a mixture of 18 units by mass of gold with 6 units by mass of other metal such as copper. So the question is trying to say this is pure gold, 2424. And then we got in the 18 karat gold, we got 18 real gold, 18 real gold, and then we got 6 carbon. You might wonder, why do we want to mix this? We want pure gold. Pure gold is better. No. As you can see, alloy is way more stronger because they mix two different metals, and this is what they are trying to do. They mix gold with carbon, with little bit of carbon. Not, of course, there are more gold, which makes the gold less malleable, less ductile. It can't break easily, so it's a very good thing. So, what is the role of copper in 18 karat gold? Well, to make gold harder and stronger because it's alloy. Alloy is a mixture of two metals. Calculate the composition. Okay, this is calculation. And as you can see, it's 24, 24 for real gold, and then 18 out of the 24 is gold. So this is let's calculate the mass of gold. Mass of gold. So it said 18 units mass of gold, 18 over 24 times 100%, which is 75%. Now, by logic, the other remaining is 6 carbons, 6 unit by mass of other metals such as copper. So it will be 6 over 24. Oh, 6 over 24 times 100 will be 25 because let's just say 6. This is mass for carbon, by the way. Mass for carbon. For carbon. 6 times 100% is 25. And logically, yes, because 100 minus 75, which is the real goal, you want to find out the foreign atoms, it's 25%. So it's very good. Now let's go on with the next question, which is to justify the following uses of washing machines. Statements, right? Now, something about carbon, about alloys, they are harder to get rusted, they are harder to corrode, they are stronger, they are better, they are less malleable, they are less ductile. So this is one of them. Stainless steel. If you were to remember, washing machine, we are using alloy because stainless steel is an alloy because we are trying to avoid getting rust or in contact with water. Now the explanation is water and oxygen, H2O, what they call, and oxygen causes metal to rust. Stainless steel is resistant to corrosion. That's the first one. Now, oh, okay. Now, high voltage electric cables. First of all, electric cables are hung in tall poles. An aluminum alloy has a low density, which is good for the type of thing. Now, 18 karat gold. This is the question that relates to the other one. Why do they put copper in it? Well, first of all, as I said, pure gold is soft. Gold Gold alloy is harder and stronger. Tips for just answering the question is just spam this one. Just remember, harder, stronger. It's always going to relate to this. So okay, I guess that's all from me. Thank